Nature as the greatest religion. Nature, in its vastness and splendor, serves as a universal sanctuary that transcends man-made boundaries of religion, culture, and belief. It nurtures life, inspires awe, and embodies the sacred interconnectedness of all existence. Just as religions offer solace, guidance, and meaning, nature provides a profound sense of peace, wonder, and belonging. Every tree, river, mountain, and star carries lessons of resilience, balance, and harmony. The cyclical patterns of nature, such as the changing seasons, mirror life's transitions, teaching humility and reverence for the natural order. Embracing nature as the ultimate religion emphasizes living in harmony with the earth, honoring its resources, and recognizing its role as a divine force sustaining all creation. This perspective reminds humanity of its responsibility to protect and cherish the planet, not as a mere resource, but as a sacred space shared by all living beings. Thanks for watching my video.